Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dear Sandagi, and I'm Vanita Vittal Kushran. So without any further delay, let us see how your coming week is going to be. That is from 31st May 2021 to 6th June 2021. Okay, so let us see guys. So for this week, these are your three piles. This is pile 1. Okay, and this is pile 2, and this is pile 3. Okay, so let me just focus on it so you guys can choose it easily. Okay, so these are the three piles. Okay, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So just close your eyes and ask yourself, ask your higher self that which pile you should choose and how your coming week is going to be. Guys, this pick a card reading is just the guidance. Okay, whatever I say, whatever I predict, or whatever guidance that have been received, okay, everything is guidance. Okay, so take it positively and all the best, lots of love guys. I would also like to say one thing, that many people have like a couple of them, okay, have requested me to do the video pick a card reading in Hindi. Okay, I will try to do it, बट मैं कोशिश करूँगी लाइक हिंदी में करने की. बट मैंने आज ना इंस्टाग्राम में लाइक स्टोरी डाली थी कि what you want to choose, English or Hindi, okay, for pick a card reading, and majority of them 75% English आया and the rest percent was Hindi. Okay, so I had to go with English. Okay, so coming week, like next pick a card reading, okay, I might do it in Hindi. Okay, so if whatever you feel like, Hindi or English, you can comment in the comment below. Okay, so that will be easier for me to choose that whether should I do in Hindi or whether should I do in English. Okay, so with lots of love guys, so let us get started with pile 1. Hello pile 1. So this is the option that you choose. So from this this charm or whatever you can call it, actually it's a ring. Okay, so whoever chose this ring, I can connect sun. Okay, sun energy. So for this pile, new beginning is coming. Okay, like you will receive something like new. You might receive something new or something that will brighten your life. Okay, like for example, you might also receive candles as gift. Okay, and also there will be lots of bright thing happening this week. Okay, for this pile. Okay, so let us start. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the coming week is going to be for the pile 1. We see your first, lovely Queen of Pentacles. I told you there will be lots of like beginning. There will be finances. Financially, there will be guys, good news coming. Okay, regarding finances, some might receive certain amount in your bank balance or as well. Okay, and I'm also getting there will be some lady or a person, okay, who will be very caring towards you. Okay, and that person will guide you regarding your finances. Hey, you should do this, then there will be an improvement in your life or in your career or in your finances. Okay, so this week finances is going to be boosted guys. Okay, so let us see second message. Okay, 7 of Wands. Yeah, so with this card guys, I'm getting the energy that with the coming week, okay, as you're gonna receive the finances, and मतलब वो growth होने वाली है. ठीक है, I can see the growth in this week. okay, like there will be a beginning as well, okay, with this card, like a beginning of new finances, something you, or else you might think of starting up your own new business, or starting up like अपना एक बिजनेस चालू करना है, तो कोई जॉब चेंज करना, where you will get a new hike, okay, something regarding career, job, finances, okay, will be of importance. ठीक है. And with this kind I'm getting that there will be kind of see, for example, if you're thinking of starting a new business, okay, there will be people who will be like, hey, you should not do that, don't do that, okay, like there will be people who will oppose you, okay, there will be people who will be like, why are you doing it, like you are not capable of it, or things like that, okay, like or else things might happen, that situation suddenly, or else you feel drained, okay, you feel drained, like, hey yaar, I'm tired of fighting the situation, and I'm like kind of tired finding a job for me, I don't know how to grow. See, there will be a person, there will be a lady, okay, and not only just lady, okay, a person who will guide you regarding your finances. Listen to her, okay, because see, always like, it's not that always people advise you to to make you feel guilty, or just for sake of an advice. No, because people also care for you, okay, that's the reason why people give you advice, so take it in a positive manner, okay. Wow, family, how sweet. See, 10 of Pentacles, I told you there will be growth in finances, guys, okay. Finances is of importance in this coming week, okay. So see, here it is 10 of Pentacles, so energy of family, energy of friends being around, and energy of being get together, a strength, okay, a completion. See here, you're fighting for something, and that fighting, it has come to an end, okay, it has come to an end. There is a solution that you have received from this person. See how, like, it's one, like, Queen of Pentacles, she has one pentacle in her hand, okay, and see now how it has turned, okay. So guys, I'm seriously getting a very positive energy of finances, okay, मतलब वो बहुत growth, finances में I can see some, okay, for some, okay, not everyone, let me tell you this, okay, for some there might be chances of promotion, okay. See, promotion not just means that in your current job you will get a hike of salary or in the position, okay. Promotion also means that you will find various sources of income, okay. It is also financially, it's like you financially get promoted, and you have different sources of income, okay, not from just one source, but 3 4 5 6 source, okay. So there is a progress in finances, and yeah, let's see further. Two of Pentacles. See, there will be lot of things coming, guys, okay, like you will be kind of handling too many things. As I told you, finances will be of importance, so उतना ही काम आएगा, ठीक है. If you guys, this pile, some of you are thinking of opening your own business, or starting up a new like side business kind of thing, okay. So focus on it, guys, okay, and you will be able to balance that thing, okay. Things might happen that many things are coming up in front of you, and you are like, oh god, what should I do? When I was searching job, I was I was having nothing in my hand. Now it's like I have like I'm receiving appointment letter, or else offer letter from 10 companies. Oh god, what should I do? Okay, things might be like this, but don't worry, okay, you will be able to handle it like really well, okay, because in see, yellow, guys, okay, I'm seeing lots of yellow. I told you, like sun, when I chose, I touched it, I feel like the sun energy, okay. So let us see further. Wow, I just love it. Okay, 8 of Wands, guys, okay. So here there will be chances of traveling, for some there will be like your dreams coming true. Guys, I'm telling you, like dreams coming true. Your finances is of importance, your dreams, and I'm telling you, like I don't know why, but I'm like feeling that कोई अपना startup जो है business, okay, the business that you have, you will take some steps to make it like मेक इट ह्यूज, मतलब बड़ा करने का, एक्सपांड करने का सोचोगे, तुम्हारा बिजनेस तुम एक्सपांड करोगे, एंड यू विल रिसीव सम, यू विल रिसीव द क्लाइंट्स, ओके, दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर बिजनेस. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर जॉब, then definitely you're gonna receive lots like job opportunities बहुत सारे आने वाले हैं, ठीक है, you might receive, okay. And then from this card, it's like the job that you were dreaming of, okay, the job that you really you wanted to have it, and like, yeah man, like yeah, this is a job, this is my dream job I was waiting for, I was looking for, okay. So that is gonna come ahead, guys, okay, but be patient, okay, as Two of Pentacles is like you have to manage things, and you will be able to manage things, okay. This is what I am getting for you guys. You will be able to manage, but for that you have to maintain the patience, okay, because there will be people who will stand against you. There will be people who will be like, hey yaar, I don't know whether you will be able to do it or not, okay. So don't just don't focus on those people, focus on yourself, focus on your own energy, because it's really awesome, okay. So let us see a last message from tarot. Okay, I told you, people will stand against you, okay. See, this is the card of bullying, okay. So there will be people who will be like, make fun of you, and you will be like, oh, man, are you crazy? You're already having a job and you're starting your own new side business in this current pandemic or this current situation. Are you gone mad? Like things like that, okay. So don't worry, guys, okay. See, the universe is with you. You have that energy, okay. You have the sun energy with you. So it's it's like kind of very strong. You have the strength within you, okay. So don't focus on what other people say, what others people think about you, or what their opinion is for you, okay. So don't focus on that. Focus on what your dreams and desires are. Focus on what your goal is, and just move ahead. Take actions and be positive and just move ahead, okay. Let us see what oracle cards want to say you. Don't dim to, wow, see, don't dim to fit in, okay. How are you dimming your light in order to fit in? See how beautifully, see, it's like you're trying to do something, okay, like trying to fit in, trying to see what people are thinking, and trying to change yourself, okay, guys. There is no need of doing that, okay. There is no need of thinking or behaving as per what other people see, what other people will feel, okay. See, sometimes it is required, okay, but not every time. If that energy, if others energy is affecting you, you need not do that, okay. Just move ahead, okay. You need not focus on what is not serving you, okay. Let us see your other messages. Warrior woman, have you answered your deepest calling? Wow. See, guys, you are, this week is kind of be like kind of lots of juggling with lots and lots of things, and you will feel that strength within you, okay. See, as I told you that some of you will start up their own new business, or think of doing that, or you have already started and you're kind of making further like वो कदम आगे ले रहे हो, ठीक है, मतलब वो you're taking steps to move ahead, okay. You're taking actions. In short, let me tell you that in like you're taking actions, okay, to improvise your business, to move ahead, okay. So like you the warrior, okay, the warrior woman, okay, the feminine energy, that the warrior thing that you have within you yourself, okay, you will realize it, ठीक है, वो महसूस करोगे, okay, this is the thing what I have to do, and this is my strength. See, this is the strength cards you have. You are like balancing things in a very appropriate manner, and you have the family support, okay. You have the nature earth support, okay, like pet, or like I'm getting that nature, okay, mother earth also, okay. So there is her help too, okay, like So don't stop, guys. Okay, don't let others energy affect you because you have your own energies. ठीक है, दूसरों की बातों का फर्क मत पड़ने दो अपने आप पे, कोई फायदा नहीं है उसका. ठीक है, it's like you're harming your own energies and harming your own mental health, so that is not going to be of any use. Okay, so focus on yourself and your mental health and your feelings and your dreams and desires, of course. The ever unfolding rose cracked open. It's happening for you, not to you. Lovely. Okay. See, guys, with this card, I'm also getting. First of all, I'm getting that like Mother Earth, nature is with you. Okay, so like she's protecting you. Okay. And the other thing is, it's like this card is telling you that, see, there are situations, okay, which are kind of making you feel upset, okay. So it's like nothing to get upset, okay. It's like it's happening around you, okay. It's like the energies of other people, but it's not your energy, okay. It's not something that is happening to you. Okay, so as I told you, like bully card bhi aisi, it's like uske below aaya hai. ठीक है, so see, people will talk about you. See, people, why do people talk about you? Because you do something different than what they are doing. That's good, right? So it's good if people talk about you. Don't take it in your head. Just leave it, because दूसरों के बारे में बात करके क्या होगा? It's like they are wasting their energy. Why are you doing the same thing? Okay, just remember that. No, don't focus on what people are saying. As simple as that, what I'm getting from this card. See, guys, it is as simple as that. You have wonderful week ahead. Okay, the energy is very good, but the only two cards that you do not have to focus on is this two. See, people will talk behind your back, okay. People will make you feel dominated and feel like hey, you don't deserve it, okay. And you will there might be some situations where you feel exhausted and tired and you're like, hey man, I feel like giving up, I don't want anything in my life, okay. So it's not like that, okay, because you have other so awesome cards, man. See, let me just show you, okay. See, you have, okay, in short, okay, you have the card, you have someone in your life who is caring for you, you have the family support, okay guys, you have the family support, and the good karmas that you did, is by your side, and your family is with you. I can easily see the finances growing and opportunities coming in front of you for your finances. And as I told you, sun energy is very strongly with you, so there will be a new beginning for you guys, especially regarding finances or some money matters, okay. And also ancestral property, okay. Ancestral property also can be of importance in the coming week, okay. It's like you might receive some ancestral properties, okay, like you might receive some money through ancestral property, okay. And it's like you will be able to balance proper your what is going on right now, so much of work, so much of situations up and down, kind of like that, okay. So you will be able to balance it, okay. And your dreams and desires, there will be traveling, and also like your dreams and desires will be they will be in front of you, and you will be like, this is what I wanted all my life, and this is in front of me. How does it get any better than this? Okay, and then this, okay, yeah. And then you have received this amazing oracle cards, like why you need to fit in, okay. Like don't fit in, don't like manage yourself or arrange yourself, mold yourself the way others want. No, you are meant to be different, you are meant to shine like a sun. Just be that, okay. You have that warrior energy within you to fight against the situation, okay. So just just ignore them. It's like, hey, who are you? I know myself, like, see, no one can judge you, no one can comment on you unless and until you allow them to, Okay, and even though if they do, it's upon you that how you take it positively. Okay, like don't let it affect your brain, mind, I mean like mind, body and soul. Okay, don't let it affect. ठीक है, like लोग तो बोलेंगे, like लोगों का काम है कहना. Okay. Fine. And angels are saying no, like don't say, like don't be in the energy of those people who are like don't serve for your good. Okay, it's like I'm repeating the same things, but वही messages बार बार आ रहे हैं guys. Okay, it's the last card. Trust the niggle. What is the niggling feeling trying to tell you? Okay, see here, these are your guardian angels. Okay, and these are the intuitions, like your guardian angels are talking to you via your intuitions, via your gut feeling. Okay, you feel those gut feeling in your solar plex chakra, or you can say your stomach. Okay, so your gut feeling will tell you what you need to do and what you need to not. Okay, so even here, see, like I feel that she is kind of getting upset because of what other people are thinking, telling on and not things like that. But it's okay. It doesn't matter if the other peoples are not supporting you. Your guardian angels are there with you. They are kind of supporting you and telling you, hey, we are there with you. You're not alone. Okay, have that strength, because you are that strong, you are that warrior. Okay, your sun, like warrior, there is sun element, there is some kind of sun element, guys. Okay, sun, and like of importance in your chart, in your birth chart, I would say. Okay, because I'm feeling that, so I'm just telling it. Okay, so yeah, all the best, guys. Have a lovely week ahead and stay positive. It's okay if other people are saying something about you or talking something about you. That doesn't matter, because you know what you are. You are a warrior, you are an amazing person, you are in that transformation phase, you are growing. Okay, so you are growing. People will talk behind your back, so that's nothing to worry. Okay, goodbye, guys. Hello, pile 2, whoever has chosen this lovely flower. Okay, so with you guys, I just feel that you pray for Mother Earth. Okay, it's like you have a connection with Mother Gaia and Goddess Parvati, because I truly love her. Whenever it's like Earth, it's Mother Gaia, it's Goddess Parvati. Okay, so yeah, like you're praying for her. In this pandemic, you're kind of praying like whoever is suffering in this situation, you're praying for them. Okay, you're sending healing, okay, in one or the other form. Okay, so and like she's blessing you. Okay, Goddess Parvati, Mother Gaia is blessing you. Okay, so let us see pile 2 how your coming week is going to be. Okay, okay, Six of Swords. Okay, Six of Swords. So guys, in this coming week there will be a movement. Okay, and I don't I'm feeling that this movement will be mentally. Okay, there will be a mental movement, like mentally there will be shift. Okay, shift in your mindset. Okay, shift in your experiences. Okay, it's like you are moving towards a better time. Okay, and so in this this week ahead, you will work upon yourself, and you will be like, hey, wait, let me take steps to heal myself, and let me be let me be in peace. Okay, let me do what gives me happiness, what gives me peace and that wisdom. Okay, okay, card of death. Okay, so yeah, guys, don't worry. Okay, don't be scared. Oh my god, it's there. No. Okay, don't be scared. Okay, so here there is like a new beginning. Okay, because there is a sun shining, sun rising. Okay, so there will be a kind of beginning, a kind of transformation. Okay, fine, I'm getting it. See, as I told you, there will be a shift. Okay, there is a shift that will happen in your mindset, okay, your mental situation, okay, and that shift is not gonna be that easy, okay. So the transformation, okay, transformation is gonna be kind of a bit kind of ubad khabad, okay, kind of up and down, okay, but but the transformation is for good, okay. It's for new beginning that is coming, it's for a new morning, okay. It's kind of a new week, so like let's start, okay. As the coming like naya month bhi chalu hone wala hai, okay, new month is gonna come up, okay. So like it's like, hey man, let me dive into myself, like let me look into myself, and thoda let me shift my mentality a bit. Mentality in the sense not just regarding others and social mentality, but for your own self, okay, khud ke liye, like you used to think that, hey, I'm not capable enough to do this or do that, and you'll be like, hey, I deserve it. Why not? I deserve it because I have a I have a good heart, I'm a good person, I deserve to be good, I deserve to receive good people in my life, I deserve to receive good opportunities in my life. Okay, so that kind of transformation I'm seeing in this pile. Okay, the Tower, I told you the transformation. Okay, so guys, I told you that this transformation is kind of like shake you, okay, like kind of shake you in the sense, and this to a major arcana, so something might happen, and you will be like, why did this happen to me? Okay, so I just want to tell you guys, it's like, I won't say it's okay, but whatever happens, okay, happens for a reason. Okay, so if something has happened that has shaken your roots and you are kind of speechless the way I am right now, okay, so you will be like, why did this happen to me? Like I didn't deserve it. Okay, so have faith in the universe, guys. As you have been so good throughout your life, you have been so polite with others, and have been thinking about, मतलब आप कुछ भी करते हो ना तो दूसरों के बारे में सोचोगे, ठीक है. Whenever you do something, you think about others and then you do it. Okay, so that thing will be rewarded to you, okay guys, but don't lower yourself with this energy, okay, because whatever happens for a reason, guys. Okay, that is the only thing that is I'm hearing constantly. Whatever happens for a reason. Okay, so see, I don't know whether should I say this or not, or like I don't want to scare anyone out of everyone, but for some, okay, only for a handy or might be just one person in this pile who have chosen it, okay, there might be chances that in this COVID situation you might lose one of your loved one, okay, but guys, I just want to tell this especially for you. Okay, the soul might leave the earth, okay, the soul might leave the body, okay, but the soul will not leave you, okay, as you are their loved ones. They will always be by your side, okay, they will always be by whenever you call upon them, like they will always be by your side. It's just that matter of just take the name and they will be there. Okay, you might not listen to them, but they do listen to you, they do see you, they do feel you. Okay, so if you are gonna be like, I don't want to leave, matlab mujhe jeena nahi hai and all that, because I don't know, for some I'm actually hearing it, guys, so like it's like I have to tell it, main bina bole nahi reh sakti, theek hai. So yeah, only for some, guys, okay, it was not for everyone out there. Okay, so guys, stay strong, sweethearts, stay strong. Okay, see, if it is a like अगर किसी का death भी होता है, okay, it's not that the life is ending. No, for the soul it is a beginning. Okay, there will be another journey for them, and if you will be sorrow, if you will be in tears, it will be difficult for them to move ahead in their journey. Okay, so stay strong. And for the rest, there is a transformation that is happening, and it's like, blessing in disguise thing, guys. Okay, so you need not worry much about it. मतलब तुम्हें ऐसा है ना कि पता भी नहीं चलेगा. Okay, and this like तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई और गई. It will be like kind of a divine intervention, like divine दखल अंदाजी देगा. हे यार, ये ठीक नहीं है तेरे लिए, चल ये निकाल देते हैं चीजें. It's like kind of छोटी छोटी चीजें होगी, तुम्हें रियलाइज भी नहीं होगी. It's like kind of a change will come in your life. Okay. Okay, I told you guys. Okay, see, there will be things happening, guys. Okay, like you will feel disappointed in the coming week. Okay, but like divine is providing you the healing, because I'm seeing the green light. Like completely, मुझे green light दिख रही है. Okay, so like, healing is available to you. Take that healing. Okay, go to a professional, seek counseling. Okay, see, if there is something that is disturbing you or things like that, talk to your friends, close ones. Okay, if you can't do that, go to a professional. Okay, but seek help. Okay, don't be in that dilemma, because see, there is nothing like to worry. Okay, it's like you're choosing to be there, be in that energy. Okay, so seek professional help. Okay, if you're feeling kind of disappointed. And oh god, the Emperor and Empress. Okay, okay, fine, let us take this. Okay, like they just jumped out like anything. दोनों साथ में निकले यार. That's something. Okay, this is something. Okay, so the Emperor and the Empress. Okay, so I don't know why, but I'm just feeling it as like, for some it might be Lord Narayana and Goddess Lakshmi, and for some it's Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, because I don't know why I'm just feeling their energy very, very strongly. Okay, like very, very strongly. Okay, fine. So yeah, so they're trying to tell you that they are there with you. Okay, they're there to look after everything that is going on, and for guys, for some, I told you that there might be one person who might lose their loved one. Okay, but the universe, मैं इसलिए ये बात बोल रही हूँ ना, क्योंकि universe is trying to tell you that. Okay, the goddess is trying to tell you that. Okay, hey, we are there to look after everything. Okay, you have faith in them, then stay strong. Okay, because see, even though if the soul leaves the body, okay, even though the soul leaves the leaves the body, like they are there to look after them. Okay, it's everything that is going under them, like उनके ही like उनके ही अंदर सब कुछ हो रहा है. Okay, so they are there to look after everything. Okay, even though you don't believe in them, they are there. They are there looking after your loved one's soul, you, and everything that is going on out there. Okay, so it's like you have that that Shakti, that Adi Shakti within you. Okay, they are there to bless you. Okay, so choose the energy, shift your energy, guys. Seek professional counselors, and like choose to be happy, choose to be at peace. Okay, so let us see what your angel cards want to tell us. This reading is something. Remain positive. Oh God, I'm sorry for screaming, but I'm shocked. Like I don't know what to say. See, guys, remain positive. And I just told you ki, choose to be happy, choose to be at peace, choose to be positive. Okay, choose to be positive, because no matter what is happening right now, currently, it's it's not, you're not alone in this, guys. Okay, you're not alone. There are many people who are suffering from the same scenario that you are going through in the current situation. Okay, so it is not something that you should just grab your head and just just cry the hell out of you. Okay, so and I told you, with this card that you will seek for inner peace. Okay, you will have the change, and you will bring that shift in your mentality, in your thoughts, in your beliefs. Okay, so let us see what further messages are. Let go. Wow, I just love them. Let go. They're in so much like कितना कितना कॉर्पोरेट करते हैं हर एक दूसरे के साथ. Sometimes even I do feel, yeah, how does it all happen? It all happens because there is an energy, there is something that supports it. Okay, there is a positivity, there is divine, there is universe. Okay, so yeah, let go. Okay, so the angels are telling you in this week that things might happen that might shake in your belief or something like that. Okay, but you have to let go things. Okay, because I told you whatever happens for a reason. Okay, so there is something that you will learn from this. There is something that will make you even more stronger. Okay, so start letting go of things, क्योंकि तुम जितना थिंग्स को लेट गो करोगे ना, तुम्हारे लिए मूव ऑन होना उतना आसान होगा जिंदगी में. सो इट्स लाइक स्टक नहीं होगे तुम कहीं. ओके, इफ यू स्टार्ट लेट गो थिंग्स. ओके, लेट गो गाइस, लेट गो स्वीट हार्ट्स. द सिचुएशन विल इम्प्रूव. क्या बोलूं अब मैं. सब खास बोल रहे हैं, मैं क्या बोलूं. Okay, the situation will improve. Okay, so as with this card, I told you that the goddess energy is with you. They are with you, blessing you as you have been. I told you with this people, like this pile is kind of very soft-hearted people. You people are like kind of, very empathic, very soft-hearted, I would say. Okay, and kind of sensitive too. Okay, so be strong guys, because the universe, the Lord Narayana, Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati is so strongly with you. Okay, so they are assuring that the situation will improve. Okay, so don't be in that energy guys. Shift your energies. Do meditation, seek professional help, but shift it, because this energy is not going to serve you. Okay, so shift your energies. Communicate clearly. Okay, I told you, seek a professional counselor guys. If you're kind of like, oh god, I can't handle it anymore, seek a professional help, and there you will at that time you will feel, okay, someone is there to listen to me, someone is understanding me. And communicate yourself. Okay, if you're feeling sad or if you're feeling disappointed about something, speak it up. Speak your heart out. Okay, don't मतलब वो चीजें अंदर रखने से कुछ नहीं होगा. It will just create वो चीजें pile up होगी and it will create a poison in your life. Okay, so it is not gonna मतलब कुछ help नहीं होगा उससे. ठीक है, so आपको just ये करना है ना कि communicate करो ठीक से. Okay, अपने दिल में जो चीज है ना वो बोलो. ठीक है, because sometimes sometimes you need not do anything, just you communicate properly, just you speak up everything, whatever is there, whatever is piled up within yourself. That's it, you're healed. That's it, that's all you need to do. Okay, so when you will communicate clearly, you will get that energy to move on in the current situation. Okay, forgiveness. Oh god, sorry. Okay, forgiveness guys. Okay, so yeah, you have to start forgiving guys. Forgive yourself. Okay, for like खुद को blame करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, whatever is happening, okay, it is the divine, it is like it is the divine plan. Okay, to bring things in its places. Okay, so there is nothing to be kind of stuck. Okay, because I'm feeling that this pile is kind of stuck somewhere. Okay, मतलब आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो like ऐसे like अटक गए निकल नहीं पा रहे. That kind of feeling, like निकलना है, बाहर निकलना है. Some of you kind of feeling घुटन हो रही है. Okay, for some. So start forgiving guys, because जब दूसरों को forgive करोगे, and सबसे पहले तो अपने आप को forgive करो. Okay, you can also try out Oponopono prayer. Okay, I'm sorry if I mentioned it wrong, but I mean pronounced it wrong, but yeah, because that thing really helps. Okay, so okay, I might also put a link in the description below for some such kinds of prayer for forgiveness. Okay, so go through it guys, like forgive others, be in that energy, choose to be positive and remain happy. Okay, because everything is a choice. Okay guys, if you choose to be happy, you will be happy, and if you choose to be in the energies that you are in right now currently, so things will continue, sweethearts. Okay, so shift your energy guys. Lots of love. I just pray for you all guys that just heal yourself and stay strong, seek professional help. Okay, so lots of love guys, see you soon, bye bye. Hello pile 3, whoever has chosen this beautiful silver ring. Okay, for you guys, I'm feeling that like you are very intuitive persons, and your intuitions go like crazy. Okay, and like you're also kind of very emotional and empathic people. Okay, like extremely empathic. Okay, so let us see how your coming week is going to be. God is asking just got choose a file 3. How the coming week is going to be. Okay, 2 of Wands. Okay, so in this coming week guys, you will be having options. Okay, like you'll be kind of reviewing review your own life, and you'll be like, hey, where am I going, and where should I go? Okay, and also you will make use of your creativity. I'm also feeling for some like you will you will turn your hobby into something big, like your passion, like, or else a business. You will turn it. Okay, you will start looking at your hobby, okay, into like a business, or you will feel, hey, I have such amazing talent, I can be an entrepreneur with it. Okay, Five of Cups. Okay, so so guys, here what you have to do is focus on what you have. Okay, see, because you have hobby. Okay, it's like, see, I told you there will be options in front of you. Okay, and you'll be like, hey, I have I have my hobby with me, I have things, like, but they are just my hobby, I can create something. How will I create something big with it? Okay, and doesn't matter. Okay, you have 2 cups filled here, so what you have, create magic with it. Okay, you have your own talents. I'm just getting that there are some artists, whoever are choosing this pile, there are artists. Okay, you have some kinds of creativity, or you might be dancer, singer, painter, anything. Okay, like that involves creativity. Okay, so you guys are like kind of focusing on what is not happening in your favor. Okay, but just don't behind guys, you have 2 cups full. Okay, so focus on what you have right now, and try to create amazing like miracles and wonders from what you have. Okay, because you have like entrepreneur ka card aaya hai. Okay, so there are chances that you might create your own new business with your talent and with your creativity. Okay, options, I told you, the Lovers card. Okay, see, there is option available in to you in this coming week ahead. Okay, there will be lots of options in front of you, and you will be like, hey, I have to choose this, I have to choose that. Okay, and yeah, and for some and for some, I'm getting that you might receive certain proposals. Okay, proposal for marriages. Okay, like एक साथ 2-3 रिश्ते आ जाएंगे, kind of that. Okay, So yeah, the coming week is going to be like kind of options, in your hand. So choose it wisely, sweethearts. Okay, there is nothing to worry, but choose it wisely. Okay, and create. See, there is something beautiful in your hand. Okay, your creativity is like really, really awesome. Okay, like really, really awesome. Okay, so make use of it. Don't be like, मैं क्या कर पाऊँगी? No, you can be an entrepreneur. Okay, you never know. Strength. I told you, make use of your strength. I'm telling you guys, this pile has that creativity within you, has that talent. Okay, talent within you. Okay, so make use of it. Okay, don't be like, see, सब में कुछ ना कुछ talent होता है. Okay, everyone has their own strengths. Okay, so make use of it. Okay, and also with this card I'm also getting that the thing is that you were confused with the choices, or you were slightly kind of wondering, like I can't do, or things like that. Okay, it's like you will, with this card, with the week, oopsie, okay, with the coming week, you'll be like, hey, you know what, I know what my strengths are, I know how I can improve it. Okay, so you will be kind of growing. Okay, like growing in the sense knowing your own self, and strengthening your belief patterns, and your overall life. Okay, it's like you're taking in charge. Okay, as you have, as I told you, that you people are very good into very good intuitive people. Okay, so you have that divine connection with you, and you will be able to overcome that energy of confusion and disappointment. Okay, and actually I don't feel like kind of a huge disappointment, but like it's like as simple as I didn't get a coffee in the morning. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so you will realize, hey, it's okay, what if I don't get a coffee? Okay, that's okay, it's nothing that will drain my energy. Okay, Three of Sword. Okay, so as I told you guys, see here also there are three cups, three cups, like fallen. Okay, and even here I'm getting that you're focusing on that. Okay, so don't focus on that. You have the strength card, you have to focus on this. Okay, what strengths you have, how you can create magic from your own talents. Okay, focus on that. Okay, the High Priestess. Lovely. Okay, so in the coming week ahead, guys, first of all, let me tell you, the weekend is gonna be of very importance. Okay, there will be some surprises waiting for you ahead. Okay, but I'm also getting that with this card I'm getting it's like you people are kind of expecting something. Okay, and that thing wasn't up to the peak. Okay, मतलब ऐसा था ना, for example, it's your birthday coming week, coming ahead, and you will be thinking, like, oh, people will gift me, this person will wish me, that person will wish me, and you'll be like, at the end of the day, you didn't the single person didn't text you. Okay, and you'll be like, hey yaar, it's absolutely disappointment, I'm terrified. There is nothing to be terrified, sweethearts. Okay, don't expect. Okay, let everything happens in flow में होने दो. Okay, don't worry about things like ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. Okay, things like that. So there is surprise waiting ahead for you. Okay, surprise, or I would say a blessing. Okay, I would say a blessing. ठीक है, not exactly surprise but blessing. Okay, that will come like तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कब आया. Okay, so and the weekend is gonna be of really importance. Okay, so please like realize your strengths, and just move on with this energy. Okay, because see, I'm not getting this, this energy is like kind of being in this vibration. It's like kind of here in this vibration, kind of नहीं, इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, आई एम लाइक इतना स्ट्रांगली नहीं आ रहा. व्हाट स्ट्रांगली आई एम गेटिंग इज दिस बोथ. एंड सी यू हैव गॉट 3 मेजर arcanas. So the coming week is gonna be of really important, okay? And there is nothing to worry, guys, okay? Like the week is gonna be of really importance, and you will realize your strengths, you will work upon yourself, you will work upon your own talents, and you will realize, hey, I can create something good with what I have right now in my hand, okay? So you will work upon yourself, and that, as I told you, intuitive person with this, and this like god, like high priestess is very intuitive, like no one can beat her intuitions, okay? She's that sharp, okay? Okay, so yeah, so the overall week is going to be, guys, kind of really important, okay? पहली बात तो मुझे ये आ रही है ना कि बहुत important होगा coming week, okay? And other thing, ये भी feel हो रहा है ना, guys, कि there will be lots of chapters will be opened in front of you, okay? And they will make you feel blessed, okay? What I'm getting is that they will make you feel blessed, okay? And you will have lots of options in front of you to choose for a betterment of your own self, okay? So now let us see what your oracle cards want to tell you. Goddess Nemetona, sacred space, create an altar or visit a powerful place to connect with the divine. Create your own altar, guys, okay? Like, this is mini altar. Create your own altar, okay? Have that space of positivity where you can meditate and just be in peace, okay? Wow, opportunities, I told you, options, okay? See, Goddess Yamanya, golden opportunity. Important doors are opening for you right now. Walk through those, okay? See, and this card, if you are receiving this card, that means that there is constant flow of opportunity. See, it's not just that you got one opportunity and it's never gonna come again. It's not like that. There is constant. See, as there is the waves are constant, okay? There is fish. So the happy, the opportunities you are going to receive is constant, okay? So don't worry about the options. If you have just got 2 proposals for marriage and you will be like, hey, I don't know what to do with these 2 guys, whether I have to end up with this 2 of them. I mean, no, not both of them, but yeah. So like you will have better options, okay? Better options will come in front of you, okay? So walk through it, okay? Like, take actions. Don't just sit like, oh, I will see more opportunities, I don't need to do anything, things will come in front of me. No, sweethearts, you have to take actions. अगर actions नहीं लोगे तो मुकाम तक कैसे पहुंच पाओगे, So yeah, the another card that you have received is Goddess Coventina, okay? So purification, okay? I also told you with this card that you need meditation. So it is time for clearing detoxification of your body and mind, and this card have come under 3 of Swords. So guys, it is as simple as that. There are some things that you are kind of expecting with others, so don't expect, okay? Work within yourself. खुद के बॉडी को क्लेंस करो. हैव लाइट फूड, हैव हेल्दी डाइट, ओके? हेल्दी डाइट भी रखना उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है जितना हेल्दी माइंड होना इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है? सो तुम्हें अपना हेल्दी माइंड एंड अपना हेल्दी फिजिकल बॉडी दोनों का ख्याल रखना है. आई एम ऑल्सो गेटिंग दैट that you people should also be hydrated, okay? Like, stay hydrated, not more ज़्यादा नहीं, कम नहीं, ठीक है? Have adequate like proper amount of water in like hydrate, stay hydrated, keep your body hydrated, okay? Goddess Enna, leap of faith, take a risk and put your heart's desire into action. I told you, taking action is also important, guys. Okay, as you are receiving so much of opportunities, take action. Okay, take that leap of faith. Okay, if you're feeling that this is not the person for me, okay, have faith in the universe. Something good is going to come in front of you. Okay, more better opportunity is coming in front of you. Okay, so have faith. Okay, have faith. Take that, take actions. Okay, take actions to beautify your life. Goddess Mary Magdalene. Unconditional love. Love yourself, others, and every situation, no matter what the outward appearance may be. Okay, so I don't know why, but with this card, I'm getting, you people are expecting something. Okay, expecting something from someone. Don't do that. Okay, it's okay. Like, जो तुम्हें मिलना है वो तुम्हें मिलके रहेगा. What you are, what you're ready to deserve or what you're ready to receive, you will receive it from one or the other way or one or the other source. Okay, but don't have that unexpected, unhealthy expectations. Okay, that is not going to serve. Okay, so yeah, don't expect much. Okay, sweethearts. Okay, so love yourself, love everyone who is around you, love them unconditionally, guys. Okay, so have a lovely awesome week ahead, because this week is gonna be of some importance, guys. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next week or soon. Okay, bye bye, lots of love, guys, and thank you for supporting me, my page, our dear Zindagi. So with lots of love, I'm signing off, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.